Wait! What up, fam? Back again, man, with another banger, with another epic.
Sibuye nenye.
Season nenye. Wait, man, it's a favorite show.
Sinenye is surprise.
Yo, my dog.
Yeah.
Let me first introduce the show, dog. Ebana.
Yeah.
King Willie Reacts, man. You know, man, the favorite show on the streets. Yeah, man, Sihanda, all the ops there. Ngasen is on the head, I'm not this time around. Otherwise, let me introduce
As no lens clash. No lens clash. Ops.
Yes, no cars, ngakaba fam. Ngakaba. Manje zazi phofu kudala kodwa ngoba.
Niyasazi. Phofu bangasaziyo.
Okay.
Every day.
Sakubuka every day. Okay. This is Pierre Xhosa Kyani, aka Xhosa Kyani, aka Uta Pipsa. You know, man. Yeah. Then Speteba.
Taar. Akyani. Yes. Mgcwele. Akyani bolile. Bambele.
Okay, man. Namhlanje sine surprise. We got Mystic Psych. Bengicela ngamkhasi? No.
Special episode le.
Man.
Cause
Mina.
hey.
Mina.
Bra.
What up?
Makasichazi ngokwa.
What up?
It's Chris Ovi. It's Chris Ovi.
The OG.
Chris Ovi available.
Let's go.
What up, though?
Yalive la kam line ora ila kam. Line ora ila kam.
Charles
Bra.
Zuba.
Line ora ila kam. Asimnandi taya mnandi kanjani?
Nah, old school.
Yeah.
Asimnandi taya.
Sathini boy.
Yeah. You know almost Mr. NH.
Bane or.
Oh, it's Dala, bro.
Asinongavuyi sine guest ebalulekileyo. Asinongavuyi.
Like, yeah, we happy to have you up, man, flower man. Like, it's been a while, it's theater there and there, spawn face to face, you know. Yeah, man, like, we happy to have you as our guest today, man, flower man, you know. The Genesis needs.
And siyakubulela Prango ngothatha ixesha lakho. Yeah, siyayazi bazi nitsi into bunazenza.
Yeah.
But chose to be here today.
Yeah, there are a lot of commitments, you know. So I just had to show up.
Yeah.
It's for the culture.
For the culture.
Do it all for the culture! Do it all for the culture, bro. Yeah, you know. Also, chatting culture, bro. Like you. What do you think about the culture like hip hop?
Yeah. Fam, that's a story for another day. But fam, for now, I got figure level for the guy.
Yeah.
But yeah, peak because have you been listening to the niggas that says yes? It has bees.
Yeah. Before, yes, you know, before we go to a busy abantu, let's see ubra ukuba njembe artist. Uta Chris in fact OV because hey man ngakwenza ixheko. But like Mosi, you do collabs around here Mosi King.
Yeah.
And stuff, yeah. So, ubra makas proved uba uyazazi artists zalapha eKini. Makasiniki top 10 yakhe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Top 10.
Top 10 yakho. If ininzi, give us the top 5 yakho.
I didn't like top 5.
Top 5. Let's go.
Top 5.
Around here, go on.
Diyasifaka kodwa.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Qala. 5.
5 ne.
Yeah.
And there.
Yeah. Noko.
Yeah.
4.
And ndiyapusha. Xa ndiku top 5 bra.
You massive.
Ndiyapusha.
Stoshi 4.
Okay, TJ back.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
3 Koti.
Oh, Utapula T. You know the family.
2 Flash Kumkani.
Yeah, the nigga yepakamisilani.
1
Opukana nzika.
Mr. Chris Ovi. Handoto, sokuthi uzandethisa ngabahlali.
Yaru nanzi.
Madoda lo mfana uyangithelekile. The Flash you know ndiguqa phambi kwa psych. Ngibani wena?
Oh yeah.
You know, bro. Okay. We reveal it top 5.
Later top 5.
Reveal it top 5.
Reveal top 5.
Yeah, ika Chris. Ika
Koti. In particular order kanye.
But it's my
Yeah,
particular
these are
content.
Yeah.
Maybe one.
Yeah, kakade like yeah. Ba unozingcina wena uzongcinwa ngubani?
I'm top
first?
one, not top. I'm top one, not top one.
Yeah.
If you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like ikude there.
I'm top one, not top one.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Finally, I'm top 2, but not top 2.
Okay.
No, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, mama.
I'm top 5, but not top 5.
Yeah,
Meaning
yeah.
up there, 5, upper top list, la top 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's why he's saying I'm top 5, but not top 5.
So
I'm top 5,
so,
but not top 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So okula top 5 ngumntu wena umjonge ngokuba angakunika ibhatyi eshushu when it comes to funny sense ngoma.
Nah, kodwa ndivile kodwa le iflows zayo ngathi kani competition la ucela ngoba kani competition
Abanye aba
ubethe nje off the dome la weka yento ebhaliwe kwathini
yeah.
yabo
Angivele.
but ukhoti
Yeah.
ingozi
Yeah.
ingozi leya
Ingozi phela kube elevator okanye cause mostly abantu if uyaqaphela once umuntu bengathenyuka you know ingwana abantu baqala ngathi bayampraise
Yeah.
and stuff okanye bampraise kube nyuka.
yeah
Let's go lyrical, you know.
But-
Let's go creatively.
but fam mna umqala kwamazi
Yeah.
umqala kwamazi lomjita ndamcheckisha ku YouTube.
Yes sir.
Cha I'm not sure ba yeyiphi la ngoma. Music video man eseqonce. Yabo eme ku parking lot. Eme nakola cala se museum.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
I was like bana lomjita ngokulo quoting ngowaphi.
Yeah.
Oko ndizibuza lo ngibana okay bambelani base king. Andiyazi all this time baya sezwezwe le chap.
Inik.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Sorry.
Andimazi tutu bayaziyathini ngayo.
Yeah. So i-creativity yomjita.
Creativity,
Angakubetha.
Akandetha
Like angakusokolisa.
angansolisa creativity.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Okay.
nalandu ngicapule kulantu kuyithetha.
Yes sir.
Uthi abantu ba like bampraise umuntu once
Once, yeah.
Kaloku ingxaki intoni umzekelo. Ndingathi mina yabona sometimes it's not the case ne.
Yeah.
Umzekelo let's say mna ndicula yabo. Abantu bahlala emdantsane abazoveke bandipraise bengandazi yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Funeka mina ndiphushe then ke ngokubazo iwe yami izofikelela pha kubo. Then once ke ngokubaza bayiva okay. Yaphusha le. Then ke ngoku that bazompraise. Yeah.
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 Like
I don't think once the
oh.
Better once is mamele ukwai. Amaxesha amaninzi uthwempuna abanye uyakubaya kubase.
Base yeah, bensiya kunto njalo.
Times niggas are being guessed out.
Yabo.
Or
Yabo.
like you hype in terms of your hype.
But when uthi uyimamela weqondo.
Yeah, yabo
Into
like
lento, what's the hype doing?
Ibile for example,
Yabo.
let me make a
Cha nizobiza
example.
amagama.
You don't want
Because I know once ithethe into fam ndayazi ka Facebook. Sublime awuzoba khona sublimes bhalwa qha.
Yeah.
That's the history I have.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
I'm the villain ingxaki mna kuleyo.
Yeah.
Like, and so yes, you know, I was gonna
Not
go
a hero,
there.
fam, I'm a
Yabona
villain,
ba,
like,
ungabuza like, usikhomba I remember back then that way he used to roast you that way on Facebook. Ekuchukela, you know. But yenye itopic le bensakubuza ne cause ndikubale ngocoach wathetha ngori
Rapping out.
now ndikwistoshi ngoku creativity lyrics naye angasokolisa because interested kule top 5 yakho ne
Yeah.
awunobeka abantu kwi top 5 kanti bapraise kuba umuntu ehamba nemotion
Okanye kuba bendisana nabo.
yeah iyabona something like that ndiya kwiparty yokuba aba bantu bapraise ngabantu bangcunayo ba yabona lo hey ndeske ndibene isifutufutu xa ipha on the mic yeah okay sikwisixoshi ngoku
Isicoshi fethu creativity.
Yes, sir.
Yabo creativity yalana is on another level fam.
yeah
Lana leya andiyazi man ihlobo ecinga ngalo xa ibhali into uvela uqomba hayi man ne flows zalana lantana ize nento fumanisa ba yabona nje berapper ngene ke sasixhosa
Yes,
isebenzisa ne melodies who does that fam banenza lo way nqabile la wesentsha ba kwezi artists zangu
Tutube yeah. Yabona uhlobo drafta ngalo you know.
Because
Okay,
lantwana
everything.
isuka from ihook
Yeah.
okubetha ezawe ingene
Yeah,
kwiverse
to
okubetha
i-verse,
ngalawe
yeah.
ayitshintshe mhlambi ivoice yaqomba okay yabo ngokumasebenzele ndirapha ngayo because
But
ikhona ehlukayo ukhona emos uyibetha ye-melodies
Yeah.
search for the hook then utransition
ayinazi
be ivoice yakho ngoku le mhlambi let's say uthetha ngayo but le deep
Yeah.
yona
Like-
betha eza voices zayo
Yeah, like denza yena kwenye part you know mostly yangoku ne what do you think about the artists ezisebenzisa autotune kakhulu ndiya kusixoshi actually nokhetho ne
Yeah.
you know firstly ndisuka nabo far usixoshi ne nokhetho you know amajita they struggle xa it comes to performance
ekuse
abafuni imike inyuswe abaperform
Baperform.
so like umuntu onjalo umbona izifa isesi-strategy negenre ahamba ngayo xa uzothi sifake imike ohlobo xa uperform uthi mayicuthwe le mike ya une-autotune what do you think about i-artist ezisebenzisa autotune over
But the-
ithi xakeke naye on the
I
stage
think lawe it's not the best strategy
Yeah.
but ke ngoku kufuneka nawe xa unenza kunalo mic ube ne mic yakho especially sense ba special for wena enala auto tune
Yeah.
uyabona lo hlobo performa ngalo Travis Scott
sure
manje uperforma lo hlobo
Yako.
okay lalo ndiyifeni yakhe but asikho lapha but ke ngoku kubani ke
It's a
umuntu
itchy.
osebenzisa lawe
Yeah.
example lento
Yeah.
enzanayo no aka sesukwenza lo
Ukwenza
very
nayo.
so rest in
No,
peace
Nasty C.
no Nasty C yabo
Like ingxaki
Sensual
yona-
example.
ebona Lord,
So like sithetha
yenza
ngabo
yakho
example.
but yoba, ubranje nethetha loo nto ne amajita mna ndithi mna umntu now engakabi nayo laa mali nono why angakhabe esebenzisa le into izamfikelelisa on stage because if uyaqaphela on stage soze umayime ucinga wonke umntu uzaba hyped up
yeah
hefta ingoma yakho uyiphembe ngemike on
yeah
uthini
kutheni mic izoba off uqala
yayibona ke ngoku i-red flag kwaleyo
doesn't make sense
nje ndi-on ke ngoku waye uzofuna kucuthwa ivolume
so
yebo sesiba ndiya kwipati yokuba iinikas ezisebenzisa too much autotune mna ushushu siyaziva i-lyrics siyazithini i-lyrics but mna ndikuthatha as if you not complete like ziyakwazi ne but okay ndingatsho iyaxakeka le nto ayenzayo like estudio uyayipheka
hayibo
kunzima you know ndiya kwipati enjalo like ucinga nto ngewenje ya
but ke bakhona nje abatraina like i-vocal cords zabo then yabo coach ufumana i-coach ezokutraina ivoice yakho koperforma phaa yabo
yeah for
at least
example
try ba yakho voice sense ba noba ayiyo leya ka autotune but try to sing that shit
ibe there you know
No?
for example uyabona lo mthetho Cody uthetha ngayo Cody he's using his own
So-
voice even naxa iperform usound olahlobo
so ke lento ndithethayo
yeah but iyayisebenzisa autotune
ingxaki yakhe umsebenzisa just ihambe nekeynet yengoma instaff ibe mnandi otherwise umjithu unala voice
le ayisebenzisayo
Exelele. Ayizophinda imxake. Okay, sure.
all right
Too much valid. Okay, ndikuvile bra according to le nto flash last one.
fam hitmaker leya yabo yoyikatoni hitmaker leya xa ibambayo into yayivele ibe yigold
and I feel like yabona Flash yabona into endimthanda ngayo mna ngathi yabona la bra uta Flash uyanansika uyakwazi ukwenza ingoma engakhanga athuke
ekuse
Othukelane phakamisa lali. Oko.
fam come on come on
not kuzo zonke
Ingxaki no like okay yima ke yabona today sine guest ne. Sine guest ne.
yo
Isn't it up ne? Sine guest today ne. Okay ta Chris. Tell me. Mosi. if uzawuthi uyi-musician uyintoni first qala uyi-artist or uyi-musician okanye uyi-rapper itrapper uyinto
i-trap
uyi-trapper ne trapper ne
trapper leya
trap but uyazenza ezinye isound ezisounda different
yeah
you know akayenzi love song unayo love song
highly doubted
akanayo unayo iwe yakatrap athi girls are shaking ass nanzi imali la unayo iwe yenje ya ikhona kulo way uzunivise xa univise yona univise ilyric phana engathethi ngelali there
ndinayo loo ngoma ndakuvisa phambili.
next question
Yeah.
okay fine but ndiya kuwe yithi ubra akakho istyle esiyi-1 hayi bro
Okay, masize kubra ingobra namhlanje. Nathi ngonanzika oflash kala setha ngabo. Sine guest ngoku. Ta Chris.
ndio uzawuqhekeza lo
akho
Tayam. Ndakhe notice yabona ngokubethetha unanzika. Oh khona back then kwakhe wanansika wakwinto ezedisi
ananas
could you elaborate ba yayiqala phi lawe and yeah like what caused inansika beef
fam kubone ku-Facebook ku-Facebook you talk something oqomba le way it's facts ayiyo no opinion
yeah
bra you cannot be a rapper ogqiba ungastendi kuloo nto leyo ithethayo as a rapper ba ungathi uthini kwingoma but in reality sayasoze uyenze loo nto leyo and why are you pissed xa ndikuxelela loo nto leyo
like wayekhepha lo mntu
on a song how can you care about that on a song
yeah
okay
sikwazi ba you're not gonna stand on that
yeah
like it doesn't make sense to me that way
you know for real nyani
yebo
awunot on the grind ukhe ndixelele ngebands ongenazo you know
yebo
facts le way
yebo
facts for
so it's facts avele nansika offended la way
Yeah.
I catch you feels ngala
I
way
think yinansika yi-critic e-grand leyo because uyamnika uba maka-improve abhale ngento ezinansikeyo
ezamkhulisa yena
In
as
a
an
career,
artist
yeah.
angahlali kulaa nto ahleli kuyo akaphume athi
yeah
Yeah.
valid
yebo
valid bra also bra mna into bendifuna uyibuza ne if you remember back then ube best on media yonke la way they about wena and stuff like la way ikhulise njani wena emculweni la way
la
like
way
let's say most yabantu mna before I know you ne like dance ngikwazi kakade but nto nje ndandoba ifriend yakho then ndafikela kuwe kweza way
Yeah.
yes, people telling you about she beat
Yeah.
and stuff yonke la way so like ndiya kulo way yoba like kulo way like ikhulise njani wena lo emculweni like usithi nje mbethetha lo uyimamela ngoma yakho uziva uba ushibhidi okanye uqombe na
fam
tripping
mna ndimamela wenqondo yela these niggas are tripping because
Yeah.
i-hip hop kudala inje ya
yeah
because ndingamenshina zininzi nantsike ii-rappers ezibethola hlobo
yeah
umzekelo i-4 yenye ke eyase-states out yakhona la out uba uyimameli weza uqomba ekusey bethola hlobo
Yeah.
u-10 Clan nabo bebethenga esastyle
yeah
so sesastyle endisithathileyo ndasebenzisa xa umuntu ongayazi i-hip hop asoze ayazi if uba ungayimameli i-hip hop ye-90s soze urelate kwesastyle sinje
So, okay.
even Drake needs and wants if uyamameli if uyayiva iflow yakhe phapha iqalayo i-offbeat la way
yeah
like doesn't make any sense
okay so like ndiyakuva bra so like mna bendiya kwipoint yokuba kakade that time ubukwazi utrap ohlobo utrapha ngalo qha nto nje ufuna uba diva
yeah because
Okay.
sonke siza artist ekugqibeleni sayibeka njani lewe we create in a different way
yeah
yabo i-craft zethu asoze zifane
yeah
if omnye ufike ngelo hlobo luthile obviously uzaba khona umthi ofika iba ayandazi ohlobo lo muntu abetha ngalo yabo uzawufika la nto bene-critic yaloo nto ba asuka lo muntu yabo you're not understanding la nto ithethwa phaa
yeah
because what you're passing is the message phaa kula wini
yeah
and ke mna ndikwelaa cala lelaa xesha fumanisa uba yabona apha kuthethwa like izinto ezenzekayo out there yabo
Yeah.
so uzumamele mina fethu ucimba umamelela nje for 10 ups oko fam like there's got to be a message kunendithethayo
Yes, sir.
there's got to be a message kufuneka ucace about this growth anothetha into eyi-1 for years fam
Yeah.
kwathini nah
Yeah.
it does not work that way
Sound, bro.
yeah
You know, yeah, because like you know, Jemba mna okay, let me go back to eza lamculo wakho ne. That umamela then and that time udio mark it was very good with numbers like 10k streams yonke la way about that time usenza lamculo ne.
Yeah.
Koma hey opera very good kule way. Then listen ne. Sure ne ngilisten lyrics nanziva same time yiva le way uyiphekayo uza nayo ne like olhlobo babeyithetha ngalo but bona babe mention
olunye uhlobo
you know ndikuve ne so ewe thini ndizokuva ke ngoku ngokuqala le new sound yakho intsha olendoza for example breaking news featuring Book Legend
okay
Bruce Lee
yeah
Kondisi bro
yeah
Kondi, you know, like that in Dokuva, but we are gays about because of why when I kalanga sound before ababona is like ingxaki the way mna endafikela kuyo bra naxa ngimamela umculo wakhe like ndafikela ebheshwa i-whole sound yakho bra kuthiwa yinje she beat every time you know
I think it was because they were listening to it because
Yeah.
the only artist you know the artist who can sound.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Because it's not
yeah nekufika ube nguwe
and kusistrike look sound also this was a
yeah
so I think in a phase nje babembesha
Yeah.
la phase yozikangela official bayikhuphi way wayengayikhupheli uba yiyo wayikhupheli uba ufuna feedback so move on like different ezinye I think ngayinjalo
he was good kodwa kwi-numbers of which yayihamba
athiwa-ke wabuya ne-Bengals
yeah wabuye kwasinyani ngoku you know ubra yabetha
ayibonisa i-motherfuckers basidu
Chris showed off but like I can do le way nifuna ndiyenze you know uyababonisa because nyani like yenzile kuqondisi Bruce Lee like ngizimamele zwe like qomba yabona we are going eJozi you know ngikoma no bra show offer here man nizilili those
mina these little kids izinduzi
yeah man bra like so it's cool like emculweni ndiyabona ukhulile and stuff like not like ukhulile like
growth khona
also benza uthetha ngalo breaking news featuring Book Legend I feel like lelwe la ngoba
hey fam
you know
kakhulu
lelwe la ngoba
kakhulu
featurisha in-Tata's finest
fam yo
in-Tata's finest
hayi andikazi nangokuba yenze kanjani leyo
damn yeah bro so la feature is enjani bro let's talk about the feature layer is enjani
to be honest I was just trying my luck pa qonda okay jonga ndiyayibona ngonohlobo betha ngalo le bra yabo
yeah
and I've been listening to him for like quite some time qonda kuseyamani iyatyhala le bra and ndayiqala umamela mos ngela xesha ekhuphela mixtape yayo yoqala umzamo
sure
yabo so ngaqonda yabetha le chap le yapi le chap
yes
yasemthatha and ayihle nje yanditheka kuwe zakhe yabo so la out ndayazi ke ngobrother Luke khona enye out eyasolekayo kodwa naye but sasibetha kunye umculo and introduce kulo Book Legend bayikusena manje dasemthatha nonke Book Legend introduce but owanika la uyiba man can focus kuyo wanika attention uBook Legend
yes
yabo so naqoma no man inbox lo brand can bizame nje yabo bra man ikhona mani into endifuna sisipane kuyo stuff yabo ndingazifumana njani 10 zabo qona man can yeke fonini lamini I think azaniphendula lamini I think the following day and it turns yabo WhatsApp ndangena pha nantsika ndayithatha le number yakhe thetha naye pha ku WhatsApp ba ikusezi yathini ndithi no fam khona ingoma elifuna ufaka and then sendiyirecordile la way sendigqibile yami party everything yabo kushot yakhe iverse ndayithumela ke ngoku inantsika iway yami la bra ewoqala yabaseleka ihook kaloku ingoma yayazi mos beat selection kube ihook so yazi yanantsika baseleka ezawo yaqona no mayibuyise sayithethe nexesha elithi xa nsithi he nje dawa khona video call uzethi gqibo irecorder lewe next thing faka ivideo yabo gqibo irecord yazi hey hayibo that was quick so iqalele pha yonke ke ngokulawo yabo iqalele pha yonke lawo
like shout out man go put legend of Flash you know because Flash you know ngoku upusha no bomb Flash like uphuhlisa lamajito coating kanje you know lamajito SB because ingathi khona features ayi but that's on news ikona features are like shout out to amajita nje because yabona uput legend angakuthathele nje
naye waspeza kweyakhe party eqondeni
shout out to put legend you know shout out to put legend man drama like you ngajabula like you was at that time you were still like good on views like push harder you know making music videos sorry
yes,
you know like how proud now akasiwasisijoze ngokusemelika usemelika ngokubra you know siyaphuma apha ehood yabo
yes sir
that was shout out man mna like icheni yakho itough ndiyayiva bra you know so kafa bra because mna ndibonile you know I won't care ndibonile bra post bene reactions abantu be behind you be commenta betegana bethetha ngawe you there like yes, you there but khawuphela manje you can't you know
that's the only way
shout out
that's the only way
consistency
consistency bro consistency is the way
you are wrong I do respond
say
thetha ngami ku comment am there
and even into esiqapheleyo ku bra esiyibonayo siyayazi ba akangabula abama-rapper bangenasiqela akazizezi ya qomba hayi niweni sasiyeka isigela ndifocus emculweni ubra unazi brains because yabona bra zami xa uyi-rapper bekuyazi ba uzaba nayo income unansike ukwazi uzophusha lo mculo wakho yabo ubra la yabo ngake yabo ngena excited yabo ubra la we unazi brains yabo maka sithethe ngalondo ubra i-graduate yabo siyayazi
you don't say you don't talk
as this does tell
you don't tell you just hide
so masithethe ngalondo bra bugela phi
Walter Sisulu University
ubetha ndoni ba
Public Relations Management
PR
yeva nawe PR kuyive Moses xa kuthiwa pushing PR style
so sinomrapper collective na
funeka niyazi ba yonke into ephushwa ngobra pha kwinantsika kwi-internet sistandiwe
yes sir
yabo
yenziwa ngelogic
yes
logic akacholanga nomrapper nini asithathanga ta crazy endleleni samfaka endleleni
hayi ishort kama
ndishuta ngamagwala
Fundisa nendlela nginaziva ngengoma etshuta thina
yeah, keep on.
So la way bra ka sicacisele bra kwi-pub into edibenise ne kwenziwa ntoni kanye phakula public
Relations.
Fine.
isilungu
Oh shit.
isilungu ayonantsika ayo mother tongue kwi-public relations kwenza ntoni brapa.
Public relations is more about marketing.
Okay.
Icon marketing.
Okay.
Icon media.
Sure.
Okay.
Yabo. Journalism ikhona pha. Because zonke sifola kunto eyi-one.
Sure.
So, public relations is actually the practice of selling products. If
Okay.
a product uyipushayo, you gotta use the PR.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sure.
that is marketing on its own. Yabona uhlobo kwenza ngalo on Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah, kuyapushwa pha. That is marketing. Like say I'm selling this, I'm selling that, pusha la way. That is public relations.
Education.
So,
Practice alo way.
xa ndifuna let's say mna ndifuna because i-public PR ndikhona xa kula majita omculo
Yeah, athumbu ne-PR stuff. Yeah.
like is it PR ntoni like ndike kuve xa kuthiwa PR question your PR answers
Yeah.
kuyafundisa nehlobo lathetha ba like
Yeah, because nala way mos it's part of communication.
Yeah.
Yabo. Lesiyenza ngoku.
Yeah.
Communication.
Yeah.
Public relations it's actually about communication.
Yeah.
Kuyathetha most of the time. Ufundiswa wena aba mawuthethe njani.
Okay.
Awufunekanga ukuthi uthetha nabantu uyike.
yeah
Because iyakufundisa la way you have to talk.
yeah
Because I relate to la way the first time ngangena pha qala i-interview.
Okay.
Uzongena.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yabo. So I know about the interviews.
Education.
It's there.
Yeah.
There's time about ungene eSpanish. I know about uzobuza ntoni pha.
yeah
Yeah.
I don't know ukuthi tell us about yourself. Uthi hayi ngibonabile vele. No, tell us about
But
yourself.
Yeah.
Zintoni izinto zakho? What are the qualities you have?
Okay.
Zintoni izinto dedicated kuzo?
sure
I'm willing to work apha kule ndawo.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I'm willing to work for this department.
Yeah.
When are we going to start?
Guys, apha asiphethanga just any rapper here. Asangondibheshela ngomculo
Fake
siyayazi
scale,
nina. Niyabhorwa sithi ngemculo. Otherwise like uza nenye education yama ne-technology. Yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
know, yes. So wena bra xa unocebisa abantu like i-PR uthi makufunde like umuntu like omakathatha i-PR umuntu onjani xa unothetha like umuntu uthanda ntoni onoba interested kwi-PR.
Umuntu othanda i-PR first of all.
Yeah.
Umuntu othanda uthetha.
Okay.
If umuntu ohleli nje olapha uzalunga ku-politics.
Yes.
Politics yalunga pha.
Yeah.
Because communication on its own here.
Yeah.
Yabo. Working. Yabo.
Yeah.
Awusibana pha communicate nabantu.
yeah
Uyi-report.
Yeah.
I-report mose yazi uba umuntu xa kwenzeke into okay kula event kwenzeke kunoku yabhala ubuze nasebantwini ekuseni mani uthini ngale event what's it about
Sure.
ubhali ba okay letheni so ifuna ube ngumuntu ohleli nje u-active uyathetha
Yeah.
ikuncedisa ngaloo nto.
You okay?
Yabo.
Okay.
So that naxa sewudibene nabantu abaninzi mhlawumbi ke ngoku uyi-artist sewubig
yeah
paparazzi nantsi lapha kubuza imibuzo funeka ukwazi uphendula
Kuyo yonke le mibuzo.
Bele ndlela
Okay.
iphendula.
Yeah.
iyakufundisa la way.
Yeah.
Also i-public relations ikwayo ne-public management ziyafana ezawo.
Sure.
okay
kubona abantu xa umuntu ufunde i-PM
Yeah.
ziyafana ezawo because ndikhumbula kukho amajita abepusha i-public management babefuna ii-notes kwalapha kum nabenza i-HR befuna ii-notes kum
Excel.
bakuse amanzi ziyafana ezi notes banike bakuse nantsi way.
so
Yeah.
okay ugcwele nge-public management
Yeah.
uthi into eyiwaphi maxo benzenza kuwe ba leave difference like kwenza lo public management and public
Yeah.
singathi sondiphendulile
hayi way one yeah because xa uyafumanisa kukho laa nto kuthiwa i-public administration public administrator yabo abo bantu benzile one because i-PR mina sine-PM it's part of i-administration and management ifola under la faculty
Okay.
yabo so into eyi-one leyo if ufuna ufunda i-PM ufuna ufunda i-PR uyangena as ba uyi-public admin sebenzisa izinto zenziwa ngo-admin uyayazi ngos-admin office
Yeah.
yabo admin office
So like uyifunda how many years leyo bra?
3 years
3 years ne? Okay. Ah, nice. Good years.
And ndivira uthetha nangento yoba xa ufuna uthengisa xa nifuna uthengisa bras okanye mantombazana nitashe bra uzanifundisa nifake ezibhedlela
Yeah, makhaleni. Andifake makhaleni. Andifake ezibhistokini. Andifake ezikorosini.
ihasili maningabi ihasili nantsika iprofession yakhe leyo
Yeah.
bakwasobeke bazawuza bangafuni ukuphinda zikabra
Yeah.
akubra bathi abra kutezosilela naye fundo
kaloku bra usominatsikele
zama ukuthi yifeze lo ndawo uba bangazinje kubra baze nento zikabra
Yeah, this is business, you know. Yeah, this is, you know, mna ke ngoku ndiphinde ndibuyela back to music because kakade mna ndikwazi njalo, you know. Benza kubuza, I think this is my last question, you know. Bani lentos most collab yakho and like okay, give me 3 best collabs zakho. Uqonda yabona xa usebenza nabo bantu ucomfortable nabo. You know, and always umculo mnandi nabo. Yabo? Yeah.
and it doesn't have abo bangabizanga bangaciba abantu bathina like economy iko deep
I think it's deep. Let's go.
like inantsika ingoma elikhangasifana kuzo
Like i-collab zakho. Yeah, uqomba yabona when I work with this person nah, always that motivator, always ndenza hit, always save umculo emnandi bantwini like. Yaqonda ba yabona bekuba yi-3. Yaqonda ba every time ninalungu
abengozama ukuthi make ngobani osebenza the best nabo kanye
okay andiyayiva leyo
andifuni uyibekanga simo ndirayithi odwa ndiyibekanga ngobani bra uqonde xa ukho lapha nabo yabafika
yabona uyonzi
yeah
hayi Ojita can sing, he can rap at the same time.
bani bra igama
Yons.
from
YONDZ.
wapi bra
Now what's it?
Yons from the league
Yes sir.
isekhona league
Yes sir.
wow
Akekho kumbi.
yehembe kaningi
Akekho manje konseka.
uhamba nawe
It's a story for you.
wayengekho kwishow Jamuza wayengekho kwishow
wow so it's committing
I think so. Nah, we should invite him, you know. Okay. Busa spekusela more about him, ne? Yeah.
Out is a songwriter.
Yes, sir.
He sing,
Yeah.
he rap. Bro, uzenza njani zawizo that?
how can that be
How can that be?
He raps better than most rappers, fam.
has to be talented to do that
He raps better than most rappers, fam.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Damn. So like you are going when you work with him, we
Say
say
hit, man. Who give it?
Noma ngakhohlela phume. Now beskho. Sekumad.
Yabo?
Yeah.
If you don't mamela call and collect uve pha.
Yeah. Funeka siyijonge ukhalibhale ku notes.
Yons.
Yons. Okay, umbhale ku notes.
yazi bengizongcwali ke mina kubra khona la
Ulatha abantu fondini. Ungabe into yili wena. Ndoda.
mamela into endizama uyithetha
Ndoda uthetha nabana.
into endizama uyithetha ubra
Yeah.
yabo bendicimba fana uba igama lakhe njengoba sithi ngutayons tayons
Athi uzenza amakhehla wena.
hayi kaloku utayons bendicimba ke mna ke kukhona la bra kuthiwa
Nenyani like nami.
Yayibona ke laa nto asomfumana ke ngoku.
Ezota yabo.
Asomfumana ke ngoku.
Ota Bravo.
Ukhona
Sofuna umsetha njengata Bravo
Bravo
naye.
le Roof.
Yes.
Bravo le Roof.
ukhona lapha nguthiwa ngusiya papi. Ayingumbeyi wami.
Na.
Okay.
Because ngicela xa umbone xa kweza ngoma zibhaliwe usiya papi ngeke ndicinge nguye mna because most of the time kweza ngoma zakho xa kwi-feature bakhona usiya papi then ndibona ubra bakhona kweza nansika that's why benibhidanisa.
Hayi noba laa nto ba mhlawumbi bona ba-produced because mos nguye producer most of the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Producer yena nansika usiyapapa.
Pap, okay.
Ukwayiyo ne-rap.
Okay.
Uyazikhandela.
Okay.
So usazikhangela okwakhe at the moment.
Yeah.
Usakhula yabo.
Okay.
Uzifo zonke wenza yonke into. Yeah.
Okay, another one. Sivile uyothi umbhalile nekwinotes.
Yons.
Yons.
U-N ukhona pha.
Yons.
Y-O-N-D-Z.
Yons. Oh, mina ndithi yots.
Uthi yons wena.
Okay, yons.
N.
Okay. You should look to Nika name. Okay, another one. Tier 3. Yeah, tier 3.
Lugo London.
Okay.
Are you producer now?
Shut up,
Yes sir. Produce.
Yacula nocula.
Producer. And iyarapper and yo. Iyachala la bro.
Too heavy, ne?
You.
Look, artist motherfucker, what's
You.
Mina ndimazi as a producer, you know.
So you can't be
Inoni
you
artist.
can't be an artist and
Ancho.
At the same time.
Mina ndimazi.
listen, I know people must
Imagine like, for example, mina I work with Umuza Beats. Umuza Beats, he rapper kwa yena. But yena akangomuza Beats when he raps. Ungo all mark. You know? Yeah, like le nditsho like mhlambi yena uhleli kwi career yoba.
pick up Lugo.
Both. Okay. So, uyaqonda yabona when you work with this nigga.
Yo.
You make a flyer.
They get flat. The most for God. Yo.
Wow, Hey, kwi yakho ne? Okanye yayi single
Hey,
nje.
single.
Single nje, ne.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yani lawele yana.
Yamazi pop it slowly. Yo.
Dang. So when you work with that nigga, you feel extravagant and yeah.
Kade size.
Yeah.
Kade
Angoni khona ukho ayithelo ina aura la brand yazenza njani?
Yeah.
Ingoma zayo.
Too much.
Fam.
Too
Salo
much.
so the yo nto efuma siba intenzo apha le ayithuna.
Yo.
So
Too much.
ngoba ansibala naye. Say popile man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Popile.
Lord Buzi. Yeah. So your second best yakho ifila.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I wouldn't say second best, first best.
First best.
Yeah.
Okay, bungabahambisi.
Ngabeka.
So uyons. Third. Then we look on first.
Yeah. And
Yathanda ufaka
No.
abantu
Ngabona bayi3 abo upra. For example, upra. Ana feature no loan. Ana feature no bass. Ana feature no store.
to work with.
Yabona ngubani throw is short first. Nangiya. Mina sengishona.
Nakanthethe ke mina ngothatha lona.
Yathanda islow.
Yeah, kathethe lonto.
You heard. Ephumileyo apha. Mina ndizayibeka clean and soft.
Ngothatha lona.
Abangamentionwanga kule 3.
Wena
Kuthiwa
ngubani?
they are not the party.
Wena ngubani best phakathi kwakho noMeru?
I'm a content creator, sir. I'm a content creator. You are disturbing me, sir. I'm a content creator, please. But are you talking business or you're talking music business? Move. My man. Baba ni slower.
Yathanda islow.
Akota even nithetha noMeru noMaker. Bro, I go with my dog. You are amazing.
Yathanda islow.
Like I said,
Yeah.
Ayikho nge-order leyo, but first best uLuke.
Ingxaki like sendiyana kwipart yokuba imassive kwa
Then
ube
second
kwi-top
best
three.
le ndiyimention eqala.
Okay, sure. Then ke ngoku the last.
Scush.
Okay. Awuthi hayi agqibe.
Leya.
Agqibe.
Qale ndiqale ukuyiva mani. Koyami ingoma phofu ba. Qondisi.
Qondisi bro.
Yabo. Yamazi Muffin. Yo.
Nami letrek ndiyifuna.
Hayi.
Kade siza bra.
Feature Sugeto.
Kade siza.
Yeah. I remember the song.
They went hard la way.
Ikhona nalangoma.
Qondisi they went hard la way.
Yeah.
Khona ne-chemistry nayo Ghetto.
Yeah.
Yabona that's the song. Never complain.
Yeah.
Right, in these
Yeah.
verses I never complain.
Fam.
I've been up, feeling the pain, doing this shit just for the rain. You are
Yo.
stronger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay. Okay, nah, that's a solid. Hayi ndiyabava bright best zakho. So, like manje benza udlula ngibele ukubuza enye into wena Chris ovile.
Yes sir.
Abenza kubuza like bengikhe ndakubuza mos ucinga ntoni nge-hip hop culture lapha waniphendula ne. So now mna ndiya kwinto yokuba i-pride lapho ibona njani. Okay, andifuna uthi artist ne. Now ndifuna ube i-collab according to inzodina i-categories like kwa DJ wise, kwa influencers wise, kwa modelers wise. Like Central, what do you think about i-collab? Lo collab it is something like as our drive the wave, you collab your wave like ucinga ntoni about lo wave.
Hey fam. Honestly speaking, bekufamba
Yeah.
kwakule culture.
Yeah.
No more events. Kubonela wethu fashion show.
Yeah.
Bekho fashion show for modelishwe pha. Artists perform pha. I-DJs sibethiwe izazi isi-DJs.
Wakhe waya kwi-modeling show?
Nah.
Yo. Wakhe waya.
Seshwa like ifethu kubonela wethu i-runway. Ola show. Never been to that.
Yeah.
Thetha lo show le runway fam.
Ingxaki like bengisiya kwiparty ngoku yabona nje mba umenshine imodelishwe ne ku-perform ne then abanye baqelile they not DJ. I-most ye-events ngoku ukuzibona wena amarimbele there yazi kwi-modeling show islot se-artist uyakwazi performa one track.
Well.
Why?
Le nami bida.
Of which there's no collab.
Because ela xesha fethu I'm sure i-careful ela xesha. So uyakwazi ufuna uperforma like 2 songs or 3 uphume.
But mna maningayijudge as such because kakade kuthiwa yi-modeling event. So nathi siyo-support. But ndiya kwiparty yokuba mna
I feel like kaloku
yeah.
into yoba bangasiniki ixesha umzekelo yabona nje bebesifaka pha kweza event.
Yeah.
Nathi siyayipromote lawo yini.
La event.
Bakhona abantu abayelo yobona thina performa pha.
Njalo not modeler.
So I think inanzika abazixabisanga.
Lena ndiya kuyo about Chris, yena if ndingathi yena maka designing event, angayidesign ibe njani. Slot se-modelers angasinika kanjani. Angenza yena ibe i-modeling show or angenza i-modelers zipromote their branding. Influencers zenzani. DJs, what music they play. Like ndithi maka create his own event. Yabo.
Like uthi xa enokwenza
Event, like i-vision leyo endibawela to future,
ufuna ayenze event.
but uyibona njani yena
Okay.
xa i-collab ye-modelers, artists, influencers, DJs, uyibona njani, busatsho kodwa bro.
Yabona la way fam. Xa kudibene lo way le ku fashion shows.
Yeah.
I think walapha kothi it will be next level because the way you need it. Yabo? Akho you need fam le layibonayo.
Yeah.
So la way leya it will be next level.
Yeah.
Of mass ba ku fashion show. Umuntu aphuhlisa influencers obviously must aba bazo present abathi.
They do as interviews.
Yeah, as interviews.
Yonke way like umuntu ngecategory yakhe.
Ba libelo ba mention njengoba buthetha ba influencers libelo. So yaboneza we ways ufunekayo for the culture.
Yeah.
Yeah. ungumnaniko ixesha lakhe event fema not ngoku uthi I understand aba ukhabantwana and stuff
Yeah.
bafuneka phela ixesha ithe but event honestly speaking best fun baziphela the following day
Yeah.
event caca ba event
Yeah.
event vele iphele like ngoku like
Yeah,
abanye
Qale
abantu benza intoni
ngo-1 phela ngo-5.
Yo.
Yeah. Into lenokwenziwa phaa ngelaa xesha lingakayanga because yonke laa nto yenza ngokuleqa iyaleqa.
Ingxaki you know wena re that's why ndibuza ubra you know mostly of the time you know xa kwenziwa i-event like abantu benza i-event according to into ayiyo ne then nje beyenza according to into ayiyo ke ngoku like most abantu bayasindeka bro xa ke luxanduva ukwenza i-event you know le nto ndiya ke ngoku mna ndi-introducer le way and ndi-introducer ngokula i-artist first artist umbuza le way you know
Yeah.
because if uyacaphela mostly abantu benza i-event around here king zii-artist who do events but now if ubra besinganombuzo ohlobo sithi bra kenza i-event you were gonna do a hip hop event
Obviously.
yebo now mna ndiza neway yokuba collab there
Yeah, company yonke.
yeah and each there kwaba bantu bamentioneyo mabebe neslot sabo
Yeah.
i-modelers they must be there promoting their brand while umculo edlala asithi bazawumisa i-event they are in
Apushiwe yabo
stage
nje on stage.
DJ is playing his music
Yeah.
also wena bramna you know benza uthetha about you as a DJs you know if uyaqaphela here we got i-gqom DJs mostly
Yeah.
ne-piano DJs
Yeah, mapiano.
nasesho what about hip hop DJs kulo show
Hey, fam.
you know
Now that you mention
strictly hip hop DJ
Now
in
that
that
you
show
men-
you know bro
Yo,
you know
now that you mention it,
Yeah.
because umuntu endimaziyo yoba ekuse is for the culture when it comes to DJing. Ebola brato DJ Nate.
Okay.
yeah
Yapha ekasi na.
yeah
Okay.
yeah
DJ Nate, yo. Nqabile man DJ nje and then ayizuze za DJs fumanise ba hip hop DJ. Izokhalisa ingoma ezedlala ngo-2014, 2018. He's always tapped in, he's always locked in, but okay.
New music.
Ingoma ekhoyo ngokuyile epophayo.
Yeah,
Uzayifaka la.
you know we need abantu abanja like dia like we are creating event enjalo you know bro phofu amangathi we are creating as if yabo party
Movement.
ifuna ibe like phofu like siya foundation you know
Foundation.
yeah you know
Nice
you know
manifestation, yeah.
like you know like ekameni kwexesha bemfuna mna people who came here people who talk becamera they must make a prophecy kawufunga ne you must make a prophecy you know bayayibaweni wenje and they are willing xa sinothi thina as King Willie Reacts team
Okay.
because mna ibinoba grand if we will put it under King Willie Reacts you know
I agree.
le ibe i-branding then thina siyi-team under yona
Yeah.
there siyi-team under yona you know
Okay.
like even a number there maybe artist 5 modelers there 5 females and males DJs there DJs few abantu be-hip hop because mna andifuna be-hip hop abantu you know.
manje
like
banqabile.
my picture there benifuna xa siyenza singayenzi something like yenza namhlanje Saturday then icwaka you know also xa siyenza we are moving kwi-fields
Yeah.
Phumleni field kwelinye ibala Lita field
Yeah.
Berlin
Because
field.
likhulile abantu.
you know Berlin field like
Yeah.
i-movement emuvayo with i-branding
Yeah.
also promoting us you know like what ucinga ndonga lo way
I got that. That's next level, fam.
yeah
I totally agree, like. Fumane ne-sponsors.
you know
Yabo. Because asozikwazi yenza into without sponsors.
yeah
Yabo.
ingxaki ndiya there you know bra
Ndisatsho nangoku. Sponsors.
zistarch
Sponsorship.
yeah but ndiya there you know before sifumane sponsors besingenovels ke sifuna sponsors singakayipush
Yeah,
maybe
next time siyipushe kaloku.
you know
Because
maybe a
kaloku
Christy
iyaqala it's something small. You start
You
small,
know.
but azovela uthi uyiqale into seyibig.
at least maybe 6 events
Yeah, yeah.
6 events
Totally agree.
yeah if we are hosting like mna most ye movement esijongile youth ne
Yeah.
and most ye youth iyafunda ne
Yeah.
so of which it will be fine Saturdays Or it's Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday.
And Sundays, no? Ne?
Yeah.
Hayi ngali.
Saturday and Sundays ngalithi lapha.
Yeah.
Xa ke during the holidays kakhulu. Yabo.
Thank you.
Because kaloku
Thank you. Thank you.
abantwana bayafunda fam.
Thank
Nathi
you.
sisuka phaa.
Maybe we
siyofika
host
icingi.
go June. Then December or starting of March Easter.
Siqala ngoMarch.
Then be June.
BengoJune.
Yoba ngo-December.
Yeah, September nayo khona.
September ne. Yeah, ngiyanisile.
Thank you ngoDecember.
Guys, comment below. What do you think about the wave? Otherwise, the offer stands. Interested, hit us up. But mostly it target to few people, few categories because of us phone close away artists. Artists does many and too much. You know, sithethe meeting on the phone when it's time to gather or to do into. Yabona, yeah. Also, nami khona into ngifuna igxininisisa guys. If you're interested in shukani yoba yi-party team here. Also, if you may ezabe yi-host yethu khona space for you. But i-party ndiyakuyo make resources zoshuta, you know. For example, shuta ngento eyi-1. But okay, guys, you know, ngaza pull up with your stuff, support the wave. And I was, you know, Chris Obi, RN, Big Gent, Big Giant, Big King, Big Dog,
Big boss.
Big Boss. That's an aura. You know, yeah, man, you know.
Let's take another partner for the shots.
Big Boss. Yeah, you know. You know, like Oprah didn't not take us low. Support it because culture, movement.
Sneaky chance, that's more.
You know, yeah, you know, guys. Yeah. So like in Siyacela there, Bandwini, ba on phone yakho shoot the camera there, pull up it, take photos, cause you know podcast. I never know photos. I never know photos. We just shoot there. Cause we are supposed to take photo with us. Okay, episode coming soon. Yeah, everything imexesha you know, yeah. Otherwise i-topic besikuyo ne-Oprah yayicebisa i-movement ye-King Willie event yalapha eqolo. Yayicebisa guys. What do you think about it? Oprah uthi uqomba uthi wayithiya kamani fashion show. You know, fashion show.
Kone fashion parade kone zipushwa komadebhe.
Cabanga.
Debhe July.
Cabanga.
Yekile dizingo kuvele kuthiwa debhe njani bagqoka. Debhe July.
Otherwise, yeah, guys, we're gonna push the wave. We're gonna push through the wave. We're gonna go through the wave. Imagine nyani kodwa bra. Sesibig lo mhlobo. This is another movement.
Yebo.
And ibalulekile loo nto yabona le yenza yayibona ivision yawo so lo iza kubanga ukuba mawuphushele towards you ibalulekile loo nto vision qala kufuneka uqale uyibone nokuba
into ke ngoku yo into eqale ayiplani manje
Yeah, we ingxaki sithetha ngaloo nto futhi so that next time when we say it's time, like unyaka ngokuphelile, you know, besingenokwazi ukuthi sithi vuma ngaloo nto. You know, yeah, yabo unyaka uphelile because of the movement. Sifuna iqale March, June, September, December, do. Maybe not December we can do it as a sneaking imali. You know, because xa siqala senze movement nje, let's gather together. Bonus wave, bantu babe khona support. You know. Official on izawuthi imboko lelo nditsho uba asikwazi ube sesithi siqala ngoku but senzela for future.
future bethu kaloku kufuneka nebudget.
You know, yeah,
budget bafuneka qala into uyiplane first. It gotta have like a budget.
Yeah.
Bekube khona ibudget. Akuyinto nawo yenzayo fam.
Education. What is the education?
Not spend up,
Yeah.
hayi xoxelo lithi Bengebudgetelanga leli. Ngoku esaqala unyaka, we gotta have a to-do list.
Yeah.
That to-do list, i-budget mayibe khona uba zintoni into ezifunayo.
Yeah.
Alo budget angoku kodwa.
Yeah. Yakulate nyani ngoku. Yeah man, otherwise I shout out man to Chris OV, the big boss. Shout out man, otherwise go. Had to go all the way up. Hey. Had to go all the way up. Shout out to him, bro, man. Also, bro, he's a vibe, you know. People call him. I'm not Chelsea.
Nah, nigga, I'm not in
Yeah,
intro.
but you know.
I'm not in intro.
Yeah,
I'm not in
man.
intro.
Yeah, man. You got something else, man.
Andiyazi noba sithethe ngayo le topic andiyazi noba iyathini into yayo
Yes.
okanye ixesha okanye
Angazi.
ikhona into ebendibala sinokule ngayo uyakhumbula lo topic bendifakele phaa kunansi WhatsApp lifumaniseke uba ithetha the impact about the impact of social media.
Oh, lamkosi. You know. Mna bembawela mna. Sibeba kube khona ifemale, you know. When you discuss. Because mostly the way it affects a female. How about too much on the impact?
Athambile.
Yeah, you know. Bekhona ubra, we can invite him. Like on female, you know, aphinda ezi episode izisiya yabo. You know, but season 1 episode yakhe. Yes, season 1, you know. Season siyako episode 10
But asiphelelanga apho.
I know.
Asiphelelanga apho.
You will be back njengomqalo.
Back.
Yeah. Otherwise, guys, I think it's a wrap. Nah, it's not a rap. Gene Mamkopo, Gene Satana. What you also this is mean? Now we're not done. Go see a quella leak. Where's a seat? Where's that guy? Psych reaction, guys. You're gonna react. Do you know what's a reactor going to be? So just thinking a way, in fact, like Siamba ngento hot and sweet. You know, when you are fresh or sweet, when you elevate type on sweet. You know, yeah, otherwise, yeah, see there. We're gonna react to 2 music videos. Today, guys, will react to 3 music videos only. Make song. So react to Chris OV. Nakomnye. Let's go, my nigga. Let's go to the recording. Yes, sir. Yes,
You want to go down.
no, we can't, bro. Pay, dog. Yeah, we're funding. Yo, the nigga. So, guys, we are coming kwela liga, kwesa sita. Guys. So, guys, today, Jemasne special guest here. So, reactor kwa kuye because of bra. Tina here on Kimberly Reacts. Jonge in the fresh on the streets. In the elevator on the streets.
Yes, sir.
In the kupuka on the streets.
Yes, sir.
You know, yeah. So reactor kuya. In fact, today's episode so reactor kumi music video, you know. Jonge, hey, Afrika's nyabanga. You know, you got me music videos. You got me music videos, yeah.
Food.
Yeah.
Quality.
In King Willie, yes. Ilaba yapusha labafana. Yes.
Koninge call.
So reactor ku music video emibini. For now so reactor ku Bruce Lee. Yes. Kid Slackum Bruce Lee. Let's go otherwise. Lona uka Chris OV.
China.
Man, I love it. It was like shit, you know. Okay, my calling on.
Yeah. Uyishutwa mali we.
Sinayo. Yabona kekho mosapho. Omar. Yabona Omar.
Ndiyayibona la bra.
Yeah.
Omar Ray. Dansithi Omar Ray ke mina.
Then sithi ngomali.
Fufu. Yeah, shit magama. Xa irap vela bengushek.
Shake so.
Xa iproducer vela bengu-Omar. Iyalibhida into yakhe yazi.
La Omar Ray Omar Ray.
Omar. O-M-A-R-E-Y.
Dansithi Omar Ray.
Omar.
Oh no, photos, hitting my weight, limit flows though. Ain't no me, I know though. Never be me, I'm a pro dog. Oh no, photos, hitting my weight, limit flows though. Ain't no me, I know dog. Never be me, I'm a pro dog.
I like the vocals, you know. Oh no. I like the vocals, you know. Also quality, bro, you know.
Quality beke phansi.
Beke flame.
Le beat.
Hey, you did it, right? Oh man. You say elevator con.
Akoni ngekho eKimberley.
Yes sir.
Akoni ngekho.
Kicks like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Intellect like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Smart guy like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Die a legend nigga Bruce Lee, yeah. Kicks like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Intellect like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Smart guy like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Die a legend nigga Bruce Lee, yeah. Moving in high speed, gatekeepers.
Yeah? Kicks.
When I never seen a nigga kissing.
Like I'm Bruce Lee.
Block me, cheater can't find me. Legend, you praise me. I'm the great, need recognition. Rapping in the head, Chris a magician. Fire in the booth, my technician. I teleport, it's the transmission. Don't play with me, I spit a coma. Need a car from Barcelona. Epifumes with your aroma. Made a hit, they just too bogus. Bitch, niggas say I'm playing victim. Don't know what they contradicting. Niggas die, drugs in your system. Nigga fell off, now it's hard to pick him. Done being broke, on to the riches. I'm a superstar, niggas are glitching. No free features, music is business. How do I do it? This is not easy, came too easy. Made it this far, glow in the dark, I know I got spark.
So bra. Le voice ubetha ngayo apha. Yakwazi umanage when you perform.
No ways.
Awuka.
Hayi. Yacanga auto-tune lo.
Yeah.
Ake klana ngikwazi ukucula.
Okay.
Angifuna udela kakhulu kule
Ingxaki ipoint endiyakuyile kuba qala we best abantu abacula nge-auto-tune. Now we hearing.
Kodwa ndingakwazi yazi.
Ungayizama nje.
What the heck?
Yeah, angifuni uba ngathi siyakhetha apha. Yeah. Okay. Let's
Know I got spark, good things happening, this is not luck. Since at 13, you know they park, gone. Oh no, photos, hitting my weight, limit flows though. Ain't no me, I know though. Never be me, I'm a pro dog. Oh no, photos, hitting my weight, limit flows though. Ain't no me, I know dog. Never be me, I'm a pro dog. Kicks like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Intellect like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Smart guy like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Die a legend nigga Bruce Lee, yeah. Kicks like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Intellect like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah.
Man, you react to music videos with that.
Ingxaki siyayibuka.
Everywhere.
Don't just hand.
Let's go.
Yeah, smart guy like I'm Bruce Lee. Let's go. Die a legend nigga Bruce Lee.
Yeah, we diamonds are covered in Bruce Lee. Freaking sash, I smoke it on a boozy. No horns, but it's swelling and boozy. Chinese eyes and they feel like it's. Igami zikhaba njengo-Bruce Lee Fika sesha, smoke it on a boozy No horns, but ugcwele ndiyimbuzi Chinese eyes and ndiphila i-smoothie Umna mpoli like naws and ops Turning a crown, I'ma get it of course My shit is banging, no hitting, no pause And figure the sauce and the boss like yeah Do it so booze Yeah, phone the lap dance, I'm like yeah But I'm dispersed, but think I'm upset Ufuni the future, this is how it gets Ungena nje lane, and we're getting bruises I'm gonna lose up I'm tryna get bands, I'm tryna get gas In fact, you're a bulldog I've been chopping like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah Ngazo actor like you know me
Wazikhodela ngokwakhe.
Wayirikhoda ngoba yangekho kaloku.
Wamnika.
Lathi jonga. Stu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Xa ndiva wesendela, ezi vocals hayi
Melody, melodies by dance, walk.
Yeah, I'm put like fuck on my lead, yeah. Cause I'm tryna feed my family, yeah.
Oh no, photos hitting my weight limit flows though. Ain't no me, I know though.
Like you flow, you know.
And then he tell her cage.
Yeah, then you flow. Yeah, when I was up on my channel's full. I don't know.
Never be me, I'm a pro dog. Oh no, photos hitting my weight like my flows though. Ain't no me, I know dog. Never be me, I'm a pro dog. Kicks like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Intellect like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Smart guy like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Die a legend nigga Bruce Lee, yeah. Kicks like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Intellect like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Smart guy like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Die a legend nigga Bruce Lee, yeah.
Martini Bona. Hey, when you got my puma. Close there.
I come close.
Easy. You know, I'm a Bruce Lee, bro. Got a motion in you. Kicks.
Like I'm Bruce Lee, yeah. Intellect. Like I'm Bruce Lee.
Smart. Like I'm Bruce Lee. Yeah, shout out. Like say rater after your own. It's really first here. When you first you must start off niggas. Rater how many? Out of 10.
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
No, look, I would give it like a solid 8.5.
8.5. Yeah, yes. So, oh, mama, no, that's like 8 actually, you know, solid 8 because of I stick on like change, you know, gonna that to come. Oh, been bukele ku phase A1 ku music video, you know. You know, sometimes they yenza tricky boring. Yeah. Up a creativity. So that's why it's a solid 8 to me. You know. Yeah. So now see the next music video, you know. Next music video to MG Risto Imbaula.
Fam. Okay. Jonge kwalombe director apha.
Oh, yamncama man.
Umango fethu.
Yeah.
Fethu. Ikhona khangele ikhona la music video. Yalamajita ezinye brothers asebhisho man.
Yes sir.
Enye kuthiwa nguRie.
Yeah.
REE. Kubekho enye kuthiwa nguvile. Yo. Kai kamla avile but uvile like.
Yeah.
I think in the Amazi.
In music video lamajita wayingoma fondini.
Yeah.
kwayingoma like ndiyafuna ni-react kula week xa ndifumene chance nibone i-creativity
Look bra, sayibhala kwi-notes okanye xa ugqiba i-episode yakho, interview yakho, usiplug.
bankanelo uvile black
Bra siplug,
Yeah.
uzobhuta i-session yakho.
nguthuthula igama lawe
Okay, inye uthuthula. Woo! I'm gonna look at it.
i-director lomjita i-editor lomjita kube khona enye ustiki
Eh,
kakhe nochico dinsky ke halela gama ndilifumene ngoku laa music video le bendithetha ngayo kuqala ka-andrew dinsky ngusibuko
yeah.
yabo
Yeah.
ndaqala umbona phaa inantsikiwe ezakhe azithunayo zininzi ma-music videos ezazithyunileyo la awuthi kustiki la awuthi unantsika u-K1 la majita nje betyhuna phaa they are walking yabo the beach
Yeah.
walk nje bewalka bayatyhala at the same time but ke in my opinion uyibulela ichico dinsky plus
Yeah. Let's go. Kakade have to value your side.
because isixhosa sakhe phaa kula wengqi hey
Too deep.
fam
Too deep.
uyalarha khoxa umamelela
Yeah.
so unebhasi
Yes, sir.
so njebe bewalka afike kwindawo yokugqibela mhlawumbi kuhook phinde ngoku ikulanda isegqibeni iba reverse
While.
fethu iba reverse ithi fike phaa ekugqibeleni lamjita okulanda abekuyo oqala nje bezawokha ekuchico dinsky
Damn.
i-creativity elola
Another level.
bras
Yeah, you know nyani ungadumoshe interview yakho singawe namhlanje.
Yeah.
You're the man of the moment.
man of the hour
Introduce yourself once again.
Chris overly valuable
Big boss in the house.
Mr.
Mr. Chris. Yeah, otherwise it's a good
Takomnyama.
Washa. Let's go. Now so reacted to MJ Risto in Baula music video. Let's go.
Picasso, you stupid.
Yes, I got me. Hey, chin. Bangela kusingo vele kwa ngungu. Bandamba funa nompuza mfike nembala lelo kushushu. Bangela kusingo vele kwa ngungu. Bandamba funa nompuza mfike nembala lelo kushushu. Ha yi niphethe lembala. Mamelo ngathela. Uthula uthixwaka. Bala. Mfike nembala.
Nithini nge-graphics?
ibudget
fam bangapha abantu apha phezulu engumuntu eyi-one MJ Risto apha phezulu
Nah, I think gang there because if uzawubona apha ne bazawuvela there kwi-doors nge-doors.
Oh,
Yeah,
sure.
yabo kwi-doors nge-doors. It's like man.
Uyathusanele ngoyikuzongixhasa. Hayi man, lethe imbawula. 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 Ndathatha ipinda igebenga andafaka ipressure ndayitenga ngoku wengezekhetha namanthi kakhulu ndazikwenga kum ixeshana lenza lona umlilo yena ndawuphemba andidlali ngondasebenza nina nithatha kakhulu nokwenza I don't keep the change man ndafunda utya yonke kwantlakes andivele ndenze ndiqala ndizikisa ucinga sendikozisa iwayini ngongale dripha kweni
Angiqali ndenze ndivele ndizukisa ucinga. Ezinye izinto ezamadododo.
Ijophimisi ifula hlomlenze ndinyuse kwekhaya stupid yena ngenhlonhlo mfana nengayi
Asuva lyrics.
ndathatha ipinda igebenga andafaka ipressure ndayitenga ngoku wengezekhetha namanthi kakhulu ndazikwenga kum ixeshana lenza lona umlilo yena ndawuphemba andidlali ngondasebenza nina nithatha kakhulu nokwenza I don't keep the change man ndafunda utya yonke kwantlakes andivele ndenze ndiqala ndizikisa ucinga sendikozisa iwayini ngongale dripha kwenidyophimisi ifula hlomlenze ndinyuse kwekhaya stupid yena ngenhlonhlo mfana nengayi ngozipokotho mfana nje right ingumqobozo ijililika khabe nombono yokuba blind emva kongono ngatsilusana flows ingozo stay right angena kwisingo vele kwangungu bantu abafuna nompuza mfike nembala lelo kushushu angena kwisingo vele kwangungu bantu
Sibakwazi up the cup. Hi.
Zine-order
Zinana la echo.
This is another level, bro. Editing ka proud ngubani? Mwangu. Damn. He's hard.
Bafuna nombuza ngike nembala ndanda kushushu hayi ngeke nembala mamelo ngathela uthula thixwaka bawla ikubu yazisenele ngoyikuza ngixhasa hayi man bethe imbawla uzotsha 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 bethe imbawla uzotsha
unanzika ndiyafanisa ndiyafanisa likhona mshithi bebesithi ufana no-Opit ngathi ngibonele lapho lo ngathi uyafona
Uzotsha. Phethe imbawu uzotsha. Phethe imbawu. Man. Shout out to umjarisi. Ngoba shemu ubaleke kuba sizawulenza zabo. Eso sidala sakhe.
akayazi
Ile nje mhlawumbe ubethe. You never know, ubethe.
Ayibona.
You know, yeah. Otherwise, shout out to umjarisi. Nice music video there.
Yo.
Quality music video there.
Lit. And ingoma is short and simple.
Yeah.
But it buzz, man. Hey.
You know. Bar after bar, man.
Kosa buzz.
So the music video probably rate about
9.5.
yeah. Okay.
9.5.
Yeah.
It's so imperfect to live. You cannot deny that.
Yeah.
It's not like into ngomba umjita ndinwenza la we, but it's so the music video.
Yes, sir. I
Yeah.
heard.
It's so the music
Heard.
video.
Keep it
I'm just
back.
being honest.
Keep it
Because
back.
I'm not easily impressed.
Yeah.
Don't the bonnet. But today I felt.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah. Read.
I would give it like a mini good
Yes.
for a budget.
Okay.
Because yeah, inantika a budget there. Budget bra. Yeah, we for the effort put it about for
I think I took on a drone in Japan because
Yeah.
music video very like
and corners shorts corner land down go goes under creativity la
Glenda will develop back behind you. Or where?
boom land down.
Yeah, black behind you.
Yeah, boom. Yeah.
So it's a 10.
Yeah.
Also nam zainika for solid 9 because of umjita is uselapha nathi but ukwazile ukupull out and away.
Go on.